Greetings, mortals. I am Bastet, the radiant feline goddess of Egypt, revered across millennia. My story intertwines with the Nile's eternal flow and the whispers of desert sands. You may know me as Bastet, or perhaps Ilouros, as the Greeks fancied calling me. My domain once spread fiercely as a lioness goddess, and over time, I adopted the gentler visage of the domestic cat you cherish today. My origins and name. In the ancient tongue, my name, Best, has mystified scholars and priests alike. Some say it harks back to a sacred ointment jar, symbolizing my protective essence. Others trace it to Bastet, a land tied to my origins. However you speak it, my essence remains unchanged. Guardian, nurturer, and avenger when provoked. Protector and nurturer. I was born a defender, a lioness embodying the unyielding eye of Ra. In battles against the serpent Apep, I guarded the light of the sun and the life it sustained. Over time, I embraced gentler roles, watching over mothers, children, and homes as a cat, embodying grace, fertility, and love. The cat and my worship. Oh, how you humans have adored my feline kin. In ancient Egypt, you lavished them with gold and fine meals, honoring their ability to keep your granaries safe from pests and your homes free of serpents. Through your reverence, you saw in me a motherly protector. I rewarded your love by safeguarding your families and bringing blessings of fertility. Bubastis, my sacred city. Nestled in the Nile Delta, the city of Bubastis bore my name and housed my grand temple. It was a marvel, surrounded by sacred waters that cooled my fiery spirit. Pilgrims came by the thousands during my festivals, with music, dancing, and wine filling the air, a joyous revelry that echoed my dual nature of ferocity and tenderness. Keeper of secrets and mummified cats. My sacred cats were my earthly messengers, treated with reverence even in death. Mummified and interred near my temple, their spirits joined mine, forever bound to protect and guide. Imagine, over 300,000 feline souls resting in honor, their essence merging with mine, eternal.